Description: fast and lasting. That's how we like our looks. So we created a tool that speeds the heat to all the right places without over-drying. For one-pass perfect styles that stay smoother longer. No thirsty hair here. Benefits: infrared light beam maintains moisture preventing frizz. Ion projector streams cuticle sealing negative ions. Suggested use. Suggested temps by hair type: fine, thin, below 360 degrees Fahrenheit, medium, wavy, 360 degrees Fahrenheit to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, thick, textured, 380 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The Confidante. Moisture maintenance styler. For one-pass perfect styles that stay smoother longer. Infrared light beam carries heat deeper into the hair, so maximum moisture is maintained and frizz is locked out. Benefits: infrared light beam, located within the titanium plates to penetrate far infrared wavelengths deeper into the hair cuticle than ever before. Negative ion projector, streams millions of cuticle-sealing negative ions into hair with each pass, locking in the smooth and shiny, locking out the frizz. Energy-efficient MCH heaters, for immediate heat recovery from 170 F to 450 F, 90 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite flat iron. This is the second one I have bought. I had to have an extra for my travel bag as I loved this one so much.